Is that the what all men need to know speech?
You want to go up with your brother? Hi. There we go. There you go. And look, she's finding her spot just like Cody said. Is that your spot? Wow, that's a good spot to be in. Okay, Lincoln, you get in your spot. Lady knows her spot. You get in your spot.
I don't know my spot.
I believe it's right there next to Bossy.
You mean on Boston?
Do you want to sleep down here?
Yeah.
Then you have to behave, because if Lincoln comes and gets me and says, or if Boston comes and gets me and says, Lincoln is getting off of the bed, I'm going to say, tell him to come upstairs and get in his own bed.
Okay.
Okay, put your pillow up there.
What if I have to go potty?
Then you get up quietly and you go potty, and then you come back to your bed and you don't bother people.
Okay.
Hurry. We are waking up at 7 a.m. and I will come and get you. Okay, I'll wake you up at 7. We have our outfits laid out on the floor so you know just what you're gonna wear. Good night.
Good night.
I love you.
Love you too.
Heart.
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 Okay, nay. We have our snack bags ready to go, and Cody put out 4 snack bags, and I was so sad. I said, you have to put the other one back, Olivia's not here. And there's 1 drink to share, because that's all they need. I helped you with your hair. Now you have to help me iron my shirt with my flat iron.
What? That's scary business.
No, it's not.
What do we got to iron? Just your collar?
Just the collar, yeah. So the hot iron is, or the flat iron is hot.
Okay.
So just like see how the, well yeah, like see how the back has that like crease?
Oh, I see. Okay, you go.
Just don't get my hair in it.
Okay. Ready?
I don't do that anymore. See? Works great, huh?
Well.
And then just kind of do that one flat, and then so the thing goes down.
Boys are arguing about their candies.
And then down.
I'm trying.
I'll do that one.
Let me see.
I can do that. I just couldn't do the back.
Oh.
So here, you hold this.
I'm a good ironer.
I know. See, and this flap is like keeps poking out like this.
So you're gonna put that inside?
Well, that's what I was gonna have you help me.
Are you out of your mind? No burning. Do you?
See, now I just need you to do it flat.
Do what flat? Right there?
Yeah. Okay, I have it where I need it, so just put it in and just go flat down.
Down to your
Really
finger?
careful. You're good.
Yeah, I'm a good ironer.
Thanks. Okay, everyone leave your snack bags in the car.
I still want chips.
Okay, leave them in here. Linky, you got your sign? Let's see. Let's see. We'll miss you, Grandma and Grandpa Griff. Okay, you got the sign. My dad was in the NTC and realized he wanted these scriptures, and so he had me bring those. And then I brought them a snack bag for the plane because, you know,
What's in it?
I just know my dad, and I knew he would want something for the plane, but probably wouldn't want to pay for something on the plane. And so
12-hour flight, Jennifer. We'll be fine.
so I got him seeds and nuts, the really good ones, and then Obvi, little black licorice, little red licorice.
I don't know any other airport that has a greeting room for people getting home, and it's because Salt Lake has so many missionaries coming home. I mean, there's just hundreds of us. We're sending family out on a mission, and all these missionaries are waiting to come home. And I still can't help but just watch the doors to see the missionaries. Like, is Grandma and Grandpa coming through there? Even though I know they're not.
I can see Aunt Ellie's baby.
You can see her little baby bump. Doesn't she look so cute over there? I'm gonna tell her you said that. Okay, not Joel and Jared completely taking over like people's family photos. They were like, everyone's missing in that family. Let's go over and get like a good family photo.
I don't know. I'm trying to find
Why is Lucy everyone's favorite?
There you go!
So Grandma and Grandpa were hiding around the corner for like the last 20 minutes. That is nuts. We didn't hear anybody over here. Get in there with him. You can look up.
Oh my gosh, guys, how about you don't look so somber?
Smile like you're gonna miss them so much and have so much fun at their house while they're gone.
Ellie and I obviously think alike because I brought you some snacks for the plane. And Ellie goes, I brought 20 and told her, don't tell Dad you can't buy treats. And I said, I'm bringing treats because I know Dad will want them but won't want to pay for them. You know us, so I know Mom.
So you know what's going to happen
What?
is Mom will share those with me, and she's going to give that to Julie to pay for the ticket.
No. I seriously love the pictures. That's so fun.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long and unresolved questions hold you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on and on. On and on. I'm moving on. On and on.
I'll get on the plane.
Leave these girls with the kids.
They're gonna be just fine.
Remember what I told you guys about like the putting the camera down after you said the curated goodbye for you guys? I'm not curated, but you know what I mean. We turned all the cameras off and then we were like, if we walk this way, the kids are gonna follow.
We're thinking that, but I don't know. Is that the what all men need to know speech?
Mirror code. Landon, that dog, he did us dirty. He wanted the last hug.
Oh, I gotta get my car key, even though it's in my pocket.
Oh, I don't want to leave him. I think my favorite comment was, what did you guys say about raising Grandma and Grandpa? All the in-laws. Yeah, all the in-laws.
They're all grown up. We raised them right.
Should we FaceTime them?
Yeah. See if they miss us already.
Hey, we were wondering if you missed us. Okay, now what should we do?
Get food.
We do not tell these kids to do this. They just honestly are obsessed with each other. See? Excuse me?
Nobody's holding my hand.
I hold your hand too.
Thanks.
Thanks, Jared.
You're welcome. Jared, I'll hold your hand when you come in.
Oh, what a relief to have those two gone. Let the party start.
It used to be dinosaurs when me and Cody were little.
I know. When it's Uncle Landon's birthday tomorrow, so they want to shop for cologne, but with all the kids it's too much of a hassle, so, you know, we're manning the kids for just a few minutes, and they're entertaining Millie. Good job, you guys. Good job, you guys. Okay, Uncle Joel has the front end of all the kids.
Close it off, you come out. There you go. Okay, no more. Look, your bum's all wet.
We made it home. We've got Lincoln. Whoa. We've got Cody. And we've got Boston.
Baked beans.
And we've got Emma. Oh my gosh. Who snuck Emma home? Look who's here, lady! Well, it wouldn't be a Griffiths get-together if someone didn't go home with someone. We're happy to have Emma because tomorrow's Olivia's birthday. And we just thought because we're getting together again on Sunday that we could make the switch really easy.
Wait, you're gonna need a bath?
Okay, well,
It was Amelia. Oh!
All right, while I clean this up, I'll tell you, we went and saw Joel's mom. She just had her knee replaced. So, you know, we had lunch with the fam, and then we kind of all went our ways, and you know, it's funny, we saw so many viewers that like stopped, you know, was like, oh my gosh, but then never said hi. So to all of you, we saw you. You should have come said hi. Okay, but we went and saw Joel's mom after her knee replacement. Oh, and I feel so bad. She's in a lot of pain. So we brought her a little dinner. Joel picked his mom out. Where are you, Joel?
Right here on the other side.
He took so much time finding his mom the perfect slippers. He didn't want no cheapies either. He wanted some really nice slippers for his mom. And we didn't know this, but she was like, oh my heck, I needed a pair. And so that was really kind of fun, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. That was it. I was really happy with
I was too. Okay, you know what? I think we did a good job cleaning this.
Will you wipe over here?
Yeah.
Whose is this? Who spilled?
Well, Boston was bringing the garbage in,
Oh, yeah,
and
it's all
it
over here.
slipped.
Oh, shoot.
So that looks pretty good. I think I got it.
Okay.
That was kind of nasty, actually. Well, we have come to the end of a very long day. A lot of people were like, how many times are you gonna say goodbye to your parents?
This is it. That was it. We're done.
Okay, you know what? If you weren't gonna see your parents for 2 years and they were like your best friends, and you would take every chance you could to say goodbye to them. They had to say goodbye to Aunt Linda. That was a big goodbye. Then we had to say like individual goodbyes. And then we had to say goodbye when they went to the missionary training center. But now this is like it.
They are on a plane to Serbia, so.
And their first flight was canceled. It was a non-stop flight to Serbia. It was canceled.
To Munich, Germany. Then they go to Serbia. But
That got canceled. Now they were rerouted to Canada on a different flight that was like 3 hours later than they were planning on leaving. Anyway, moral of the story, they're on the plane.
good adventure.
They're fine. Also, we came home to, oh,
I took
where's
them
your new shoes, Toot?
tucked away.
Want to show them?
Yeah.
Joel got searching on the old interwebs, and he found a used pair of his favorite Crocs. You know.
Hashtag not sponsored by Crocs, but should be.
Yeah, Crocs, come on.
These loafers. I do have their new like shoes, and I wear those too. I like those, but these are just.
Okay, and also something new to add to the docket, as Joel would like to say, iron in the fire.
Another iron in the fire.
We have a 9 o'clock showing tomorrow morning of our house, and is it ready? No. No, she's not. So I'm gonna start doing some laundry, and yeah.
I'm gonna start doing some. Go to bed.
No, we've got a little bit of cleaning to do, and then we'll go to bed. Who are we kidding? The kids are wanting to sleep on the tramp. We're not sleeping. I think we're gonna hear the kids all night.
No, I sleep okay with them on the train.
I don't. I'm like awake all night listening. All right, good night everybody. We love you.